If you want to create a laptop icon in Figma quickly and cleanly, this tutorial is for you. In just a few steps, I'll show you how to find the right icon using the Iconify plugin and place it directly into your design. This is a super fast workflow for UI design, wireframes, mockups, and any project where you need professional looking icons without drawing them from scratch. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple Figma tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open your Figma file and go inside the design where you want to add the icon. Once you're in the canvas, look at the bottom toolbar and click the Actions icon. This is where Figma keeps a lot of useful tools, including plugins and widgets that can speed up your workflow. After that, click Plugins and Widgets. This will open the plugin section, where you can search for tools you've installed or discover new ones. In the search bar, type Iconify. Iconify is one of the most popular icon plugins in Figma because it gives you access to thousands of icons in different styles, all in one place. When Iconify appears, run the plugin. Once it opens, you'll see a search bar inside the plugin window. Click into that search field and type laptop, then press enter. Iconify will now search for laptop-related icons and show you a range of options you can choose from. Take a moment to browse the results and pick the style that best matches your design. You might want a simple outline icon, a filled icon, or something that fits the rest of your interface. Once you find the one you want, just drag and drop it into your canvas. That's it! Your laptop icon is now inside your Figma design. From here, you can resize it, change the color, and position it wherever you need it. Because it's vector-based, it will stay sharp at any size, which makes it perfect for modern design work. You can also repeat the same process anytime you need other icons, like a phone, monitor, folder, or settings icon. So to quickly recap, click the Actions icon at the bottom toolbar, go to Plugins and Widgets, search and run Iconify, search for laptop, and then drag and drop the icon into your design. It's a simple workflow, but it can save you a lot of time. If this helped you, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more Figma tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.